Imphal East District ki Hautalda laiba SP Gateway School asigi Satliba sahi lising ani kunmari gi oina December tang kun kumathoi kunithoi da pangthokiba sport meet ta Satra Satri Singh Nupamasa amasung Nupimasa singna sanakhiba Thauri Singbi Tak of War gi masana makhal asi mayam punna yengminasi
Kalai di Pauna House lamjing na kalai di no somo ahum yauri dina ningam moye somo ahum yauri Pauna House kidi performed very well. The winner goes to Pauna House. Congratulations. Mami chak chak chak. So photo session in the house master, you are requested. Both the houses, Pakam House Master and Tiken Digit House Master. Sir Kennedy. Yes, we will have a final match, Junior Girls Tug-of-War final, which is going to be played between Pakam House and Tiken Digit House. Ready? Yes, Pakamba, Tiken, Pakamba, Tiken, Pakamba, Tiken, Pakamba, Tiken. Oh, yes. Side chains. The Laura Kilung Iko. Nasana Sai House Adum cheer up the view. Asai Pauna is Sumo, Ani Wira Padmana Surgeon, so Sumo, Ani Wira area, Junior Girls. Sir Lanjinga Surgeons, Chala Wine and Malek. Yes, Pakhang Ba, Tiken, 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 Pakhang Ba. Sumo yaw ba party ng ngamkre. Congratulations.